Hello everyone, welcome to the course of mobile application development. In today's class, we are going to learn a new concept called externalizing resources. So always who are a little bit feeling tougher with the coding, so it is always better to keep the non-coding resources as well. Okay, so it can be some sort of diagrams, images, or some sort of animations. Okay, such that these resources can be utilized into your app development stage in the Android Studio. So this particular Android also supports the externalizing of resources ranging from simple values such as strings, colors, and also they also deal with the complex resources like images, where we are considering them as drawables, and animations, themes, menus. Okay, so using all these images, animations, themes, menus, and several things like strings, colors, and all those things, what we are trying to do is we are making our work very much easier whenever we want to. As long we keep on maintaining that particular application, it will be easy to maintain. If at all you want to update that particular app or an application, it will be very much easier. There is no need of coding each and every time you require an animation or image or a drawable. And not only that, the managing of the themes, menus, everything, all these things will be helping our apps to look more attractive, and maintenance will be very much easier, and time to time we can update these particular apps. So externalizing resources are one of the important properties or the aspects with respect to non-code resources, and it helps in maintaining, updating, and managing of the applications whenever required.